First winter experience na area. Na-depress na siya. Isang dulas mo lang dito, diretso ka na dun sa tubig. Good morning guys, so today is our Mount Fuji tour and unfortunately it's raining as forecasted. Good thing nakaborrow kami ng umbrella from the hotel, but I'm not putting my hopes high to see the Mount Fuji na just so hindi ako masyadong ma-frustrate because it's raining, so most likely it's fogging. So we're now looking for a bus. Actually nagmamadali kami. Buti lang our hotel is just 3 stations away to Tokyo Station kasi andito yung meet-up point. We're now going to our bus. Ate guys, we made it to the bus. Actually sobrang lamig ngayon kasi umuulan. Pero dahil nagmamadali kami kanina, malamig yung kamay ko pero yung katawan ko is pinagpapawisan.
The first one is Oshinohakai. The second, we go to TNT Town and Senken Park. They are together. Yeah. Not stop. Yeah. Not stop.
Guys, nagising lang ako but look at it, it's snowing. I mean, it's not snowing pero merong snow. What?
I think we will go back to Tokyo early. We just within the news. Okay. And wow. This is the train station. We get a bus here now. So 11:50 we meet here.
Guys, we just arrived here pero oh my god, snowing. Teka lang. Shoot. Buti na lang guys, may payong kaming dala kasi wala kaming cap or ano pang protect sa ulo kasi sobrang lamig, and then yung snow pag naglaland siya nagiging water, so mababasa ka din. And buti na lang naka leather shoes ako para hindi nagpe-penetrate yung lamig. So this is not my first snow experience. My first one was in Armenia. That was way back 2020. Pero ang ganda kasi super white ng background. It's winter pa talaga. This is as of March 16. So yun guys, ang kapal ng snow. Tingnan kay ang sarap nung kasi naka wool jacket ako at saka puffer jacket, so it's very warm sa body ko, pero yung hands ko at saka yung ulo nilalamig. So since hindi na ito yung regular na Mount Fuji tour guys, I think mas maaga kami uuwi ng Tokyo kasi nga iiwasan ng driver na baka kakapal pa yung snow tapos mabirya pa. So yun, so sinusundan lang namin yung guide ngayon. Buti na naka-borrow kami ng umbrella sa hotel. Ang lamig sa kamay. Oh my god. So ayan yung view dito guys. Para tuloy siya naging Christmas village. Pag naapakan mo yung snow, para siyang nagiging ice tapos nag-water, so medyo slippery talaga siya. Yun guys, so mag-update na lang ako sa inyo pag nakarating tayo sa first destination namin kasi nauna na yung guide, nakasunod lang kami. So guys, we're not going up na there because It's 400 steps, and then mahirapan kami umakyat bumaba sa kapal ng snow ngayon, pero eto siya. Ayan, the Arakurayama Shenzhen Park Area Guide Map. So expectations dapat niyan is that pagka punta nyo sa taas, may magandang view ng Mount Fuji, tapos may temple. Kaso with this kind of weather, hindi visible yung Mount Fuji, so hindi na lang namin aakyatin kasi meron ding call time para mag-meet ulit sa baba, so baka hindi na namin maabutan yung bus on time. So walang late dito sa Japan. If ever malate ka, maiiwan ka, and then mahirap yun kasi it's snowing. And aakyat muna kami dito. Buti lang may payong guys, kasi biglang bumabagsak yung snow, kasi siguro sa bigat na galing sa puno, so nalalaglag, so may payong na sumasalo. Oh shit, ang kapal ng snow guys. So ayan guys, I think this is the first gate. This is supposedly 400 steps, can you imagine? Pero I think sa kung saan tayo galing sa baba, this is I think mga 15 steps pa. Pero can you imagine 400 steps, aakyatin natin yan ganitong panahon, so mahirap. So maybe if okay yung panahon, why not? Pero ngayon, let's just skip that. Hanggang dito lang tayo sa may gate. Ayan si Aye, yung first snow experience niya. Nag-enjoy ra kaye?
Actually, not really. But yeah, the view is nice, but the way you feel pain is so heavy.
Wow! Na-depress agad? First winter experience niya, are you na-depress na siya agad? Ayan guys, so nakabalik na kami dito sa station. Hindi na kami tutuloy dun sa second location kasi another lakaran. Candy Town daw yung tawag dun, pero hindi na kami pupunta dun. Mag-iikot-ikot na lang kami dito. We'll get a hot drink. And here, I think I like the matcha latte. So we're ordering pork bun. Here's the pork bun, guys. Here's the pork bun. Ang sarap kasi mainit. Ganun. This is the kind of kiss I like. Masarap siya guys, parang siyang dumpling sa loob ng siopaw. So good. Back inside the bus, guys.
Okay, let's go to have lunch. We're gonna have lunch.
Yeah,
It's
we're gonna have
go
lunch.
to Oshinohaka. After
So guys, we're now on our next location for this tour. This is the spring. This is actually known for the clear springs coming from Mount Fuji, like the melted ice and glacier, and because it's so clean, you can actually drink the water. We're crossing the bridge. Kasi matagal tayo. We're now hiking to the spring. The guide says it's 5-minute walk. It's a 5-minute walk. And then from here, you can see na meron siyang maliit na sapa. Sapa ba yan? Ano naman yan? River? Or ilog? Ayan. Hindi na siya nagsusnow, pero umaambo na siya. Kaso hindi ko na ginagamit yung payong kasi ginawa ko siyang pangtukod. Kasi Isang dulas mo lang dito, diretso ka na dun sa tubig. Hindi na siya ganun kalamig compared kanina. Kasi siguro, sorry. Kasi siguro hindi na siya nagsusnow. Pero malamig pa rin. Pero hindi na siya ganun kasakit sa ears at saka sa kamay. We're going to try drinking the spring water. Ang ganda ng view here, oh. We are back sa bus, guys, and we bought this strawberry. Actually, babango siya. Parang perfume na strawberry. Tapos, meron siyang yellowish na white. Dalawa yung white, pero yung isa yellowish, tapos yung isa pinkish, and then 4 na red. So, we're going for our lunch, then kakainin na dito after. So, I'll share sa inyo kung ano yung lasa niya. This is for 800 yen. Itong 6 na to.
What time tawag mo? 6 a.m. time.
Itadakimasu. Almost done eating, sobrang sarap. If you're ever getting this tour, get the fish set kasi eel siya. And then sobrang sarap niya. By the way, hindi muna namin kakainin yung strawberry kasi kailangan pa niyang hugasan. So, medyo busog na din kami. Mamaya namin yan kainin pag uwi sa hotel. We're done with our lunch, guys. I think that's the end of the tour for now. I'm not so sure, ha? Kasi it's already... We have to get back to Tokyo before 6. It's already like 3 p.m. And then, sobrang busog, sobrang sarap ng lunch. And then, napapuruan ako. And then, we had a really great day. I would still recommend. And this is an unexpected snow experience. Instead of Mount Fuji, snow experience siya. But still, enjoy this tour. Hello guys, just an update. Di pa pala tayo uuwi. So we're still pushing through the rest of the locations as per the itinerary of this tour. And we're now going to yung famous spot na Lawson na may Mount Fuji sa background. Next na sa Lawson is yung Ueshi Park. At I think yun yung last spot for this itinerary before tayo uuwi ng Tokyo. So guys, we're here sa Lawson. This is very popular because there's supposed to be a backdrop of Mount Fuji behind the Lawson convenience store. But of course, as expected because of the weather, that's not possible today. So yun lang guys, quick stop lang dito since wala namang si Mount Fuji. We're here to our last itinerary of the day. Oishi. Oishi? Ueno sa to? What? Ay Oishi Park? Oishi Park. So lake to siya guys. Actually popular to sa marami akong nakitang video dito sa TikTok. So popular to sa tour na to kasi Mount Fuji from here. Pero ngayon, ayan nga, wala. Puro lang fog. Punta tayo dun sa area kung saan famous yung spot. Banda dun. Malapit sa water.
Ready? Go. Recording. Alayo pa. Alayo pa. Ah, 1, 2, 3.
Guys, so mabilis lang kami dito kasi malamig. So, dapat andun si Mount Fuji sa background na yan. Andito. Kaso wala. Guys, ayan pala yung sikat na ice cream dito. Tapos, yung window sa second floor, dyan yung mostly nagpipicture na may magandang view din ng Mount Fuji. So, eto siguro yung area na may Mount Fuji, hindi dun sa kabila. Hindi ako sure ha, pero baka lang. Kasi eto yung familiar na window eh. Showing the Mount Fuji. Sikat yung ice cream dito but I'm not getting kasi sobrang lamig ngayon. I don't feel like may enjoy ko siya. Merong souvenir shop din dito guys. If gusto nyo mamili, actually malaki siya. Sakura berry. It's sakura berry. And then pearl white. Lahi ang kuha no seeds sa kuha. That ends the tour guys. We're going back to Tokyo after this. What do you think of this tour, Ye?
It's fun because it's my first time experiencing snow. But I think, yeah, I am happy actually
That's good.
that
So
I get to experience.
yeah, so you can, I'm pretty sure in any season guys, may enjoy nyo to Mount Fuji tour. Kahit ngayon, kahit hindi nag-appear si Mount Fuji. But you can use my Klook promo code MJS Klook for discount and
A real Klook.
yes, we have Klook discounts guys, promo code. So feel free to use it. Kung kailangan nyo ng hotels, tours, transfers, attraction tickets, passes, yun lang. Guys, so another dinner here in Japan. So this time it's still yakiniku, but we ordered the specialty of this restaurant is mostly lamb meat. So we're going to try that.
Good, so good. As someone who loves noodles, pasado sobrang sarap. Next is this rice with lamb soup and lamb meat. Malapit lang to sa hotel namin sa Sutetsu Presa. Bye. You want that?